Hello, Namaste, Namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. Guys, no position is also a kind of position. What I mean by that is, I did not take any positions today, okay, but I was looking to take a trade, but the trade that I was looking to take did not come through. I uploaded a video during the live market and we did some live market analysis. In that, I had mentioned that I was looking to trade a long side, okay, and I was looking for Nifty to break a certain level. You can go and watch the video where I was looking to take a trade and what scenario I was looking to take a trade. Now, why I did not take a trade is because, see, for me, the capital is sacred. It is very, very important to me. It is my lifeline. If I take unnecessary trades, okay, which do not fall under my setup, then I will end up taking a loss, and eventually what will happen at the end, maybe after few weeks or months, I will give back all my trading capital to the account and I will have nothing to left. Then I'll have to beg and borrow, which I do not want to see myself. This is the hard-earned money. It's the money that you and I have got through a lot of hard work, okay, through the sweat that we shed by giving our time in office, okay, spending our time in office or doing any other business. That's why you have to realize that this capital that I am trading, or the capital that you have as a trading capital, should be very, very sacred. If the trade is not as per your setup, do not take a trade. No need to take any position, forceful positions in the market, because markets are going to open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, again on Monday, and many years to come. So there will always come a trade which you would prefer this as per your setup. So wait for that setup. So you can see my position book here, okay. I had no positions today. There was no setup, but the trade that I was looking for, I have mentioned in the earlier video. You can go check the video, and here also I'll just highlight it. I was looking for a trade above this particular level, on the breakout of this particular level, which is the previous day low, okay, and I mentioned that I had a bullish bias, so I was looking for a long trade, but the market was in some other mood. There were bears all over the place. The bears had taken over. There was a lot of selling in today's market, okay. All right, so you see here, let's review what happened in today's market. We'll start with Nifty, then go to Bank Nifty. We had marked these levels, okay, for our trading session today. So what happened, I had mentioned very, very clearly, very important, that this level is a very crucial zone, and you will see vigorous bounce from this level. And see what happened here. There was a vigorous bounce from this particular level because this was a strong support level. So the market opened a gap down, okay. It came down to this and immediately it bounced within few minutes, or maybe within few seconds. So this is why I say these levels are very important. So please watch my videos, please watch all my videos, what I mentioned and how the market is playing out. You can see for yourself, okay, why I stress on the fact that these levels are very, very important, and it has taken me years to understand the market reaction, the market behavior, okay. So if any newcomer, or if any trader saw that there was a gap down because there was a selling on this particular day, he would have gone and shorted, he or she would have gone and shorted, and they would have been trapped and they would have made a loss on the trade. I am not saying the losses are not going to happen. Losses will happen, but when you know the levels, you know where not to take a trade, you know where you should be placing a trade. So there was a huge bounce from 17,940 level to 17,960 levels, huge bounce. The market went up, faced a resistance around 18,000 to 1825 levels, okay. I had mentioned that this also, the round number, the psychological level, is very, very important, and the market faced resistance here, okay. The market faced resistance here, came back down, took a support around this particular level, okay, bounced up higher, and it went into a trading range. It was a range bound market. A narrow range was formed here. I was expecting a breakout, since I was I had a bullish bias, but it broke down. I had no opportunity to take a trade again, because I was not seeing any good risk to reward ratio. So when there is no good risk to reward ratio, and when there is no trade playing out as per your setup, you just relax on that particular day, because this kind of patience you need to develop if you want to play a long game in the markets, okay. So this is very, very important. So you see here, the price came back again to this level, but this time the market the bears were much stronger than they were here at the start of the session. There was a lot of supply, there was no buying power. The price came down to the next support level here. It took a kind of a support, bounced back up. Now it is trading near to the resistance zone. Okay, so the next important level we will discuss, which are the levels that we need to watch out for, okay, in few minutes. Before that, we will see how the Bank Nifty was today. Now Bank Nifty was very weaker than the Nifty. You see there was a gap down. Okay, there was a gap down. See now why we marked this previous day low, because it's very important. This shows that there is a weakness. So there was a gap down. This was a strong support zone here. This was taken out by the bears in the morning session itself, and the first candle of the 15-minute time frame that you're looking at, the first candle itself, this took out. There was another strong support which we had mentioned, that also did not sustain in today's market. This gave an indication that, you know, the bears were much stronger. There was a supply in the markets, and the market kept moving down from these levels. Now it's very important to watch out how the things will play out on Wednesday. So today it was a complete bear run over. Okay, the bulls were nowhere to be seen. They had no power position in any way. Okay, so you can see that the bears have taken over. Will the momentum continue? I think so, but let the market play out. Okay, and we'll understand what's in store for Monday's session. Okay, I hope these levels which I had marked, okay, in yesterday's session and the video that I uploaded were of great help to you. Okay, you might have, you know, there's a lot of learning in the video, so please watch the videos till the end. And if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing here, please do give a thumbs up. Click on thumbs up, like button, subscribe to my channel, okay, and hit on the bell notification, and share it with your family and friends, so that they also understand, who also are interested in trading the markets in Nifty or Bank Nifty, how the things play out and what are the things that needs to be taken care of. All right, so let's start and do the analysis for today and see what is in store for us in Monday. Okay, now I will do the adjustments here only. Okay, and we'll see what are the levels that we are looking at. Now this blue dotted line is your day's low for Nifty. What is the day's low for Nifty? 17,884 level. Okay, and this high, I will bring it here. The previous day high, I will bring it here. Today's high on Nifty was 18,034 level. So your 18,034 level and your 17,884 level are your, this is your day's high for Nifty, and this is your day's low for Nifty. Okay, so once you mark this high and the low for Nifty, let's understand where are your zones, that is the resistance zone and the supply zones that you know, the market could face. The price action could take support, or price action could find resistance. All right, now let's understand how the things worked out. So the price opened a gap down, took a bounce up here. Okay, it took a bounce up here, it moved higher to this zone, and from here it turned out. So now this becomes a very clear zone of resistance for Bank Nifty, which is 18,000 to 18,020 levels. Okay, 18,000 to 18,020 levels. This is your zone of resistance for for Nifty. All right, so this is your zone of resistance here for Nifty. 18,000 to 18,020 levels is a zone of resistance, because the price could not move above this particular level. So there is going to be a strong you know, attack from the bears if the price comes to these level. But depending on the market condition, whether it will be taken out or whether the price will reverse from this level, the market will guide you, the market will show you. All right, so now as this level was acting as resistance, and this resistance was broken out, and we were expecting support, and it did happen in today's session, but eventually the bears took over. Okay, the bears actually you know, broke this particular support level. Now I am seeing that this will be acting as a resistance zone. Okay, for some sessions at least. Okay, for 1 or 2 sessions at least, or maybe more. We'll wait and see how the price is going to work out. So the level that now the price is trading below this level, so this level will be a zone of resistance for Nifty. 17,950 to 17,970 levels will be a zone of resistance for Nifty for Monday session. Okay, there will be a zone of resistance here for Nifty. Now the price here also was acting as support. The price broke, okay, came back down here, it bounced up higher and it took a support around this level and price moved higher from this level. So this zone will now we will be looking at on the support level. Okay, so now this could be your zone of support here on Nifty. Now what is that level? There is a psychological level here again, 17,900 to 17,915 levels. Okay, 17,900 to 17,950 levels. 15 levels will be your zone of support for Nifty here. Now the price, if it comes down to this level, okay, we could see a kind of bounce. Okay, we could see a kind of bounce, but since we are looking at the sell side, okay, I don't see that the price actually taking a support around these levels, okay, or even these levels, but we'll wait and see how the market behaves in Monday's session. Okay, so now this is a zone of support. This is your previous day low. We have a strong support around 17,850 to 17,870 levels. Okay, so this is we need to wait and watch whether this will be protected by the bulls or whether the bulls will come out, but this will be a zone of support. So these are the levels that we are looking at for Nifty for Monday session. So the price is near to the main resistance level now, a strong resistance level of 17,950 to 17,970 levels. Okay, the support is just below here around 17,900 to 17,915 levels. Okay, and you have the previous day, that is today's low, as a support, and another support around 17,850 to 17,860 levels. Okay, these are the levels that you need to watch out for. In case if there is a gap up somewhere here in between, there will be a no trade immediately, because you have a overhead. There is a resistance around 18,000 level to 18,020 levels. So we will not be looking at immediately taking a long side here. I will be looking, since I feel the market looking at the price action will be on the weaker side, so I will be looking for a long for a short trade in Monday's session. It doesn't mean I will be taking only short trades. If there is an opportunity, a kind of a scalping for long trade, I would be looking at a long trade as well, but mainly I will play on the bearish side in Monday's session, because the whole reason being, see, major support levels are being broken. Okay, that gives you a clear indication who is in charge for now. Things might change, okay, when you do, but you don't know when the things will change. So till then we will have to look at the price action and behave accordingly to the price action. So sometimes you become a bull, sometimes you become a bear. So these are the levels that you're looking for Nifty. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Okay, so now I won't do any additions. I will just make the changes here itself, some adjustments. So we will bring the day's low. Okay, screen just blanked out, just give me a moment. All right, so here is your day's low on Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty low was 40,882 levels, and the Bank Nifty high today was around this level. Now what is that level? Around 41,516 level. So that was your Bank Nifty high. Okay, that was your Bank Nifty high. Now I will keep these levels as it is. Now let's see where Bank Nifty could find support or where it could find resistance. Now you see here, this is a zone of here. If you see, the price was in a rectangular fashion, it was in a consolidating, and the price broke this particular level. Okay, once it broke, there was a big move from this level. So this zone could be a strong support zone for Bank Nifty for coming sessions, if in case the price comes to this particular level. Now what is that level? 40,606 615 to 40,640 levels. Okay, 40,615 to 40,640 levels could be your zone of support, if in case the price decides to trade below this particular level. Okay, now this is your zone of support here. This is here, the price has bounced from this particular level, and we have a strong psychological level of 41,000. We will see whether this will be taken out again towards the downside in Monday session, or whether we will see some kind of a move upwards. Okay, now these levels, okay, you see here, this level was acting as a support. Okay, these levels were acting as support, but in today's session the support broke. So these levels will now be a zone of resistance for you. Now what is that level? 41,180 to 41,200 level. Okay, 41,180 to 41,200 level will be a zone of resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, so it is near to the resistance zone now. The price has closed around 41,130 level, so this will be a zone of resistance. if in we might see some kind of a down move here in Monday's session, okay, from this level coming back to 41,000 levels, which is a psychological level. It could act as a support, and if that support is not holding, we have a previous day low, that is today's low, as a support level. We have a strong support level at this level. We'll have to wait and see how that support level behaves, whether the bulls will come to the party or it will be a bear party once again in the coming sessions. Okay, so now if this level is taken out, okay, suppose if this level is taken out, we have a major hurdle here, because you see any time you see this kind of a consolidation market and the price moving out of that market, this is supposed to, okay, this tends to act as a strong support level, but there was no support whatsoever in today's session. Okay, they did not hold for long, and this support level was broken. Now the price is trading below this support level, so we might see this particular level acting as a resistance going forward, because the price is trading now below the support level. So 41,330 to 41,360 levels is your zone of resistance, a strong resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, this is your strong resistance level going forward, okay, in the sessions to come. So we have another level here, which was a strong, we saw a big up move from this level. This also was taken out in today's trade. So you have a previous day high, and this another resistance zone. So I see a bit of weakness and the bear party to continue for some more sessions to come. Okay, until and unless something changes, we as traders, we have to change according to the wind. That is, according to wind means according to the market conditions. So this will be another zone of resistance, that is 41,470 to 41,500, which is another psychological level. So these are the levels you need to be watching out for in the sessions to come. These levels are still intact as a resistance zones. Okay, so what are the if you see a huge gap up, okay, to this level of 41,350 to 41,380 levels, okay, immediately it's not a long position. I will be playing bearish because the market looks weak. Okay, but as I said, I could play both sides depending on the trade that is presented. Sometimes I will hold a trade for a longer position if on the bearish side, and if there is a long position, I will be doing some scalping as well in the trade. Okay, so if the price comes to these levels, okay, immediately a gaps down to this level, okay, or to this level, okay, if there is any certain overnight news and there is bad news, the market gaps down to these levels, I will immediately not take a short position. I could see a vigorous up moves from these particular levels, right? So I hope these levels will help you in Monday's session. Okay, so all the best in Monday's session, and hope to see all your likes and comments in the comment section. Thank you.